Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Panda. You know what's stupid? It is stupid that Comic-Con made this bracket or this mouthpiece for this receiver, but the receiver keeps coming out of the hot shoe holster. So I did a DIY fix for it. I don't understand why Comic-Con Audio made such a hot shoe mount for this, knowing that this can easily come out when you're mobile. So what I did was I took off the rubber mat that was on here and put Velcro. So when I attach this to this, just like so, it won't come out. But I've been having problems with this coming out all the time when I'm mobile or recording video. So I wanted to update Comic-Con on a flaw on the hot shoe mount that came with the VDLive 10 audio system. I think it's very flawed. It keeps coming out of this holster or the hot shoe, whatever you want to call it. But as I said, I did a DIY fix using just Velcro and it works. So it doesn't come out. As you can see, it doesn't come out. But with that said, everyone, I recommend taking out the rubber mat or the padding for the hot shoe mount and replace it with Velcro. But you may not want to do that. You may not want to ruin your warranty, but this is a flaw within Comic-Con Audio that they need to fix this and address it. What they should have done was put some type of Velcro on the bottom to have it stick to the hot shoe when needed to. But with that said, everyone, this is Panda giving you guys a Comic-Con Audio update why I had to do a DIY fix for this. So with that said, everyone, please do subscribe, like, and share. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. See ya.